Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share documents from Documint in 2026. If you want to send generated documents to clients, coworkers, or team members, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the document you want to share or locate it in your generated documents list. Next, review the document carefully to make sure all information is correct. Check the names, dates, formatting, and other details before sending it to anyone. Now look for the Share, Send, or Download option, depending on the available features in your Documint account. Click it to view the available sharing methods. Next, choose how you want to share the document. You can download it as a PDF and send it through email or a messaging app, or use any built-in sharing options available in your Documint workspace. If you're working with a team, make sure the recipients have the appropriate permissions to view or access the document if collaboration features are enabled. After selecting your preferred sharing method, complete the process and confirm that the recipient has received the document successfully. Finally, keep your important documents organized by saving copies in secure folders or cloud storage so you can easily access and share them again whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share documents from Documint step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.